Okay everybody, I know I haven't made a video in a long time, but I've been working on a lot of different things. I wanted to make a specific one about this stupid instrument cluster that I love so much. It's a 31 Buick, and I'm trying to make it work in a Model A using a 39 Ford heater, and make the gas gauge and the heat control work, and the spark knob, and the choke, and the headlights, and it's a major deal. But what I'm working on today is this heater situation. This originally was 31 Buick, and I think it worked a cable of some kind, maybe opened a door. What I'm trying to do is make it work with a 39 Ford heater, which is a bi-directional motor. It'll go forward or reverse. It goes forward for heat and reverse for defrost. And it opens up doors that will later one day be in my stanchions. But for now, it needs to go up for defrost, halfway for off, and down for floor. The back side looks like this. As you can see, it's mechanical, and it probably was connected to a yoke with a cable. I have fashioned this rod, and this switch I got from eBay, actually from the Iron Trap guys up in Pennsylvania. It was from a 39 Lincoln, but it's the same exact switch. Has all the connections to make it turn forward or reverse. The knob for it is right here. I have knocked all the plastic off the actual knob, and I've mounted it into an actual under the dash piece from a 40s Ford, and then I made that mounting bracket to mount it on the back of this. Also, this stupid lever that says heat will make the fan work like it's supposed to. Right now I have put a mark with a Sharpie on the knob when it's in its center position. That's right here. And I have to make this connected to that to turn the switch. Alright, this is what I got so far. I silver soldered this piece of 1/2 inch brass bar onto the brass knob, and I also silver soldered a little 1/4 inch bushing and welded a piece of 1/4 inch rod on top of this rod that goes down to my heat lever, and it does all 5 positions. There's all the way up. First position, that's off, that's low defrost, high defrost. Looks like it works. It also uses the full travel of the lever. Alright, I think I've outdone myself.